I'm going to try to see if more oil will come out. When I tilt the bike up. Yep, more oil's coming out. And that's it. Got like a grayish color in there over here. It's not really a good sign. That's gas mixing with the oil. But this oil's been in here for a few years. I haven't changed it. Now we got all the oil drained, and we got 10W40 conventional motor oil we're gonna put in, and that's it. One thing I forgot to do is open the drain plug, the dipstick, so any oil that would be in there would come out nice and easily. Let's try it. Hold on one more time. She's all drained out.